Tom Brennan. Welcome to this party. This party's going very well.
Party's going very well.
This is Chris Maynard, our videographer.
Hey.
This is Chris Maynard, our videographer, and we'd like to welcome you to Dylan Jen's party. As you can see, it's going on around us. This is our videographer, D-Jen. Yeah.
D-Jen, where is he?
D-Jen's over there. Sorry.
Yo, D-Jen!
He's a little hungry right now. And then about explains it.
About explains it. Enough said.
As you can see his face right there.
Do that.
Oh wait, that hasn't been recorded the whole time.
I'm going the whole time. J House 3000. I'll take you on a tour. My house. Go.
All my hoes at the same party. At the same party. All my hoes at the same party. At the same party. They my hoes, they my hoes. They my hoes and they my hoes. Say my hoes, they my hoes. They my hoes and they my hoes. Say you met a badass bitch last night. Wouldn't be surprised if it ain't my hoe. Just saw my bitch Keisha. She was off of Molly. My bitch Molly smoked that Keisha. Geeking at the party. Ducking my bitch Holly. She bad as shit but be begging. Tank top.
It's the gayest thing I've ever seen.
Drive. It's a little awkward.
I'm gonna.
Dylan, stop. Dylan.
You're on camera! Kids, you're on camera!
Wait, is this going somewhere?
2012, bitches.
Alright, really close up.
No. Hi, I'm Laura. The party's going great.
I didn't even ask you any questions yet.
Basketball swag.
And who dropped the cigar on the ground? Who was wasteful?
I don't know, but I'm gonna pick it up and smoke it.
Good, how are you?
Too young here. Shit's getting crazy. Alan! Hey, fuck you! Bitch is getting ratchet. Sorry. Well, Satchy's gonna make it.
Wow, okay. At least we have camera proof that he fucking.
Willis, you suck, Willis.
Make sure.
Hey, Charlie.
How we doing, Mike?
How's it going? I haven't seen you in a while.
Oh, you filming?
Oh yeah, I think this is Maynard's camera.
Yeah.
You want to say something to him? Come on, one thing, Charlie. Fuck yeah.
Awesome party.
Rock your bag. What the fuck's going on? How's the party? Give us a summary. We need a play-by-play action, motherfucker. It's fucking awesome, dude.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So great.
Swag. This hot big thing just came up on me. Came up on me.
Oh, no, I don't know why St. G's so annoying.
Where's the beer?
Hi, I just smoked weed and I have a face mask. What are those gas masks things? It fucking hurts. And I love weed. And I don't know why that happened.
Weed, shrooms, LSD, even got that Keenan Ivory. Eat pills for the feels, sleeping pills for nighty-nighty. Her vagina tidy, I lick all over, flip out all over, then I climb inside it. Shit, I'm smoking, be so potent, I'm floating out my body. Watch her, kiss her, lick her, then lick her. This liquor, I'm slizzard, my nigga. My life is like basketball, run, shoot, and steal. And this bitch I'm with so wet, she should come equipped with gills. Trippy is that trippy does, as it drops up in my cup. Biggest blood, or that super scud. It's the gold fang wearing, I'll be out with diesel blowing. Leopard flag hanging out my pocket while I'm floating.
That one more time.
I've run a.
Say what?
What you just said.
Was Tim out here?
Is Tim out here?
Alright, good job. Let's get Sarah on film. Holy shit. That's one of the funniest shit ever.
That's the real
This is Star. SAR herself. I don't know about good
It's
for
good
you.
for you though. It's all like real stuff.
Dude, this has got to be good. Where's those weird kids eating dog food? Oh, dude.
Rudolph got a little hungry.
Rudolph's hungry.
Let me know. I haven't seen it.
Rudolph got a little.
How do you like it, buddy?
Is it good? It's dry.
You like it?
Tastes like.
Oh, when you smell it, it tastes weird.
Andy.
I actually want another one. I'm kind of hungry.
I love you.
You sick fuck.
Anybody want dog treat?
Look at those chinked eyes, dude.
I hope you don't mind.
No, they're all natural. You can eat them.
I told you so.
They were homemade or some shit.
Dungeon. Yeah, dude. This,
It's like weed.
yeah.
The dog food.
I don't have it.
Nice. Project X. Project. She ran out. They're watching porn. Scab.
Yo, this party's hot. Internet.
I'm the D-E-V-I, I'm the D-E-V-I-L, the devil. Devil.
I love you guys.
Probably the best part that's happened tonight. Whoa. No one's saying my fucking name.
Oh, all right.
No.
I'll cut it out. I'll cut that out.
John resident.
All right, the John residence.
Let's go call actor.
Yo, I missed you with binoculars, man. Oh, who's got the camera? I got the camera. Chris got the camera. Yeah, I got the camera. Yo, no, just keep going, guys. No big deal.
I just walked in on Lex Barley pissing. Fuck my life.
Really? I got all that on film, man.
I missed.
Yeah, you and your. All right. What is it?
I feel overrated.
I didn't do anything.
Fuck Chris Maynard. Fuck Chris Maynard. Fuck it. Fuck Chris Maynard.
Yeah, whatever. Ain't nothing but a thing.
It ain't nothing.
Ain't nothing.
It ain't nothing at all.
You ready? Yo, get your game face on, pretty boy. Oh,
Get destroyed. You'll be like the 7th team to get destroyed by these kids.
they're like 17-0.
Like father, like son. The beautiful faces. And then the awkward SAR. Still looking where it's going.
How's the night going, guys?
Them niggers stole my ball.
Who's still your bowl?
Fuck those things. Pussy.
Tori, are you drunk?
Hey, Chris. Are you drunk?
I will.
Hey, Brian.
Fuck is it? Skip it. Why?
I think it's just like. It's just
Someone put the... Hey! Tori Gone Wild.
Yo, I got that.
She's fucking good.
Yes, I'm making the video.
It's my camera though.
Yes, it's my camera.
Oh shit, running around with me. No. Alright, we're running around.
No, please, I want to get you on camera. How many guys have you slept with in the past hour? Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Hold on. Hello? Whoa!
Oh! Hey, you guys actually called you? That
Yeah, maybe.
No, Dylan. No, yeah, my adrenaline.
Chris! Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? My fucking
Yo, you're on camera right now. How you feel about it?
What?
How do you feel?
Fucking know you.
What a great party.
Dylan, fuck you. Not you.
I've never seen you before.